with our chicken that was cut into small pieces. And then we will add our garlic ginger paste. Pour in the lemon juice, all the chickpeas, the yogurt, coriander, also half, cumin, put it all, turmeric, season with salt and pepper. We will all mix it well. Then after that, we will cover with cling wrap and let's leave to marinate. For the best result is 2 hours or overnight. Next, in the medium heat, we will put our pan, olive oil. We will put on our onions and then the garlic. And also we will add our coriander, the remaining, chicken masala, turmeric, tomato paste, and butter. We'll saute it for a minute. Next, we will add our marinated chicken. We'll sear it for 4 minutes until golden brown. And then we will add the remaining marinade and wait to cook for extra minute. We will now plate it to our dish. Then finally, we'll top with coriander. You can also eat it with pita bread, or it's perfect also with a hot rice. Start with a mixing bowl. We will pour our chicken drumstick. Then, we will combine the garlic, ginger, paprika, honey, and soy sauce. We'll mix it all well. Cover with cling film and then leave to marinate in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Then, we'll fry the chicken in a large pan and both sides for about 10 to 15 minutes. We'll stir it often until golden brown. Pour in the marinade, bring to boil and stir until the marinade is thick and resembles a sauce. And then cook for further 5 to 10 minutes. Making sure each drumstick is evenly coated and cooked through. After that, we'll have to pour it in a clean dish and then garnish with sesame seeds. Firstly, we'll start by placing the gizzard in a hot pan, then adding the water and half teaspoon salt. Bring to boil to cook for 30 minutes. Then, drain the gizzards and set aside. In a pan, we'll add oil and heat on medium-high heat for 3 minutes. Then slowly add flour and blend it in to make a roux. Then, we'll cook for 8 minutes or until it is light to medium brown in color. Add onions. Then add 1 teaspoon salt and the black pepper. Add ginger and garlic paste. Next, add the mushrooms. Also the chicken broth. Stir first, then add gizzards. Bring to a rapid simmer. Reduce the heat to low, then cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Let's transfer to a clean dish. Sprinkle smoked paprika and chopped red pepper. We will cut the whole chicken into smaller pieces. This is to better absorb the flavors to the chicken. We will add water slightly above the chicken as we will need the broth later on when we made the jammed sauce. We will put it now into a high heat. Once it's boiling, discard the floating fats. Once we remove most of it, we will add 5 pieces of cloves and 5 pieces of cardamom, 6 or more pieces of peppercorns, depending on your level of spice. I did not capture in the video, but I added half peeled onion and 2 bay leaves, and 1 stick of cinnamon, and turmeric about 1 teaspoon. We will also add a drizzle of salt as per your taste preference. Let's cook it for about 10 minutes. Now we will add 1 small packet of instant jammed. We'll squeeze all the content and then we will mix it all together till smooth. For that 1 small box of jammed is equivalent to 2 cups of plain yogurt. Mix it again and then we will add the chicken broth. Now we will put it in medium heat and then we'll stir slowly into a circular motion to avoid burning the jammed from the bottom. Add 2 tablespoons of corn flour dissolved in water. This is to give a little thickness to our sauce. After this, we will add in the chicken that we cooked before. Leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So once it's done, we're going to saute our almonds. This is for our garnish. Saute it till golden brown. Initially, we will preheat oven to 230 degrees Celsius. Then, in a small bowl, we will combine salt, basil, thyme, pepper, and minced garlic. In another bowl, with lemon juice and butter, add salt and pepper. Aspirate it in a kitchen syringe, then keep it aside. Now, on a rack set shallow roasting pan, we place chicken breast side up. Brush chicken with melted butter. Rub the spices and herbs all over the chicken or sprinkle to the joints. Add some salt to the inside of the cavity and fill the cavity with lemon slices and garlic cloves. Tie the legs together with kitchen twine. Inject the sauce to the chicken muscles to absorb the flavor into its juicy, succulent, delicious parts. Remember, when handling syringe or any pointy object, please be extra careful. You may stab or prick yourself. It's really sharp. Roast uncovered. Reduce oven temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and continue to cook until done. About 1 more hour and 10 minutes.
Also, for those now who haven't subscribed yet, it will be a great help to my channel in continuing my passion in cooking. Please hit the subscribe button and click the bell button as well.